and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to enable the emergency SOS on your Android device. So if you're looking how to enable that feature right there, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. Start by opening up the settings application. For that, you can just go and tap on settings. And within settings, you just need to look out for the safety and emergency section. So scroll down and find the option for safety and emergency. So go ahead and tap on that option right there. And under safety and emergency, you need to look out for the option called emergency SOS or send SOS messages on some of the versions. So just go and tap on that option right there, and you can turn it on. You can turn this option on, tap on the toggle, and once you do so, you can read the terms and conditions and tap on agree. So tap on continue, and once you do so, tap on next. After that, you just need to go over and create contact or select from the contact. So you can add up a recipient, you can create an emergency contact or select from existing ones, and you can choose to trigger the actions by pressing the side buttons 3 to 4 times. And once you do so, the number will directly be appearing here in this section. So you can just go over and do so. You can just go over and even attach pictures if that option is available, or attach audio recording to send media. You can look out for these options called attach medias. Take picture with the front and rear cameras to include them in your SOS messages. You can turn this on, and even attach audio recording. You can turn these options on right there. After that is done, you just need to go over and look out for this option called press the side key as well. You can choose to trigger the actions by pressing the side buttons 3 to 4 times, and then you can just go over and confirm it up, and that's how you do it. You can just go over and use it in emergency. Press the side button for 3 times to send your live location, photos, and audio clip to your chosen contacts, and that is how you enable the emergency SOS on your Android device. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.